Step number 1, copy this video. Step number 2, upload this video. Step number 3, earn $141, earn $176, earn $89. So step number 1 is to go to youtube.com. Here you want to search for dogs if you're a dog person, or cats if you're a cat person. As we can see, we can find funny dog videos with 24 million views in the last 10 months, 29 million views, and you can see that these videos get crazy amount of views. Now what we want to do is to actually go to filters right here, and then we want to click on creative comments. Just like this one, as you can see, leash reactive dog training, where they are doing actual dog training on this video. Here you can also see how to make a dog become fully aggressive with a few simple tips. This is another dog training video. So we're going to click on this and then go to step number 2, download that video. Step number 3, go to rumble.com. Rumble.com is a new video platform that has popped up that is a YouTube competitor. And as you see from this page, you can see exactly how much these people have earned just per video. So if we keep scrolling down, you can see that people are making money with this. $27 right here, $12 right here, more and more, $61 with this video right here, $56 right here. And you might be thinking, oh, is any people on here? How many people are actually on the website? So I have a similar web Chrome extension, and as you can see, rumble.com is actually one of the fastest growing video websites on the internet right now. So step number 4, click on sign in. Here, just click on create a Rumble account. Now just write out all these details, agree to the terms and conditions, and then register your account. Now just click here to activate your account, and you've been successfully verified. Now I'm about to show you how to upload this video. Step number 5, click on upload video right here. Here you can select the video to upload. So we're gonna go in our downloads folder and then just drag that right in here again. Now we need a video title, so we're gonna go back to the actual video and then copy that title. Now we're gonna change it up a little bit just like that, and then we need to have a tiny video description. Step number 6, go to clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where they have hundreds of products that you can sell and get a commission for that product. All you need to do is click on sign up, then you have to enter your details right here, and then you can join Clickbank. Once you're inside, you go to the Clickbank marketplace, where they have a ton of categories, as you can see, about different affiliate products that you can sell and make a commission for. Now what we're going to search for is dog right here, and then click on search. Now what we want to do is sort the results by gravity. That means the highest selling dog course. So here you can see brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, easy sell. And if you sell one of these, you're gonna make $31, which is pretty cool, right? And as you can see, high quality dog training course featuring 21 games to improve a dog's intelligence and behavior. And if you think about it, if somebody were to, want to make the dog become aggressive instantly, they probably have a lot of other things that they really want to teach their dog, which makes it a perfect combination that makes them want to buy this product. So how do you actually promote this? Well, all you have to do is click on promote right here. Then you can enter your account nickname and generate hop links. Here, this is your affiliate link. If anybody goes through this link and buys through you, you will make $31 each and every sale, which is pretty cool, right? Now you might be wondering, if you send this to somebody, what page do they actually land on? So I'm going to show you the page right now. This is the page. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Perfect title right here. And I also love this little dog right here sitting on a chessboard. Come on. And now this is actually a long form sales letter. And as you can see, they have pretty pictures in here. They even have some videos in here. And they even show some of the modules that they'll go through if they decide to pick this up. So you can see here module 1, 2, 3, and all the different things that they'll actually get when they purchase. And all they need to do is click on instant access and purchase this product for $47, and you will actually get 75% of the commission for that sale. And the reason they can give you such high commissions is that, they have an email list, and that will sell them more and more things in the future. So they're confident to give you 75% commission just for that lead. So now all you need to do is step number 7. So you generated the hop links, so you just click on copy right here. Now go to bit.ly.com. Bitly will make your link a lot shorter, a lot nicer to look at, and as you can see, this tiny little link right here is way easier for them to click than that long spammy looking virus type click link. So now just copy this, go back to your upload again and here and post that link. Now we need a little header right here, which we can just take from the actual dog training sales page, and you can copy this right here, and we're gonna change it up a little bit, and then I like to add click here. Now you can search alt codes into Google, go to alt code list, and then we're gonna find a little arrow going to the right and post that in here as well. So that's all you need to do. Just click on upload right here.